Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to change the default downloads location in Opera browser on Windows 11 or 10 PC. For this, first open Opera browser on your Windows PC, then click on this one menu icon in the top left corner. In the drop down menu, select this one settings option. Under Opera settings, select this one gx.games in the left sidebar. On the right, scroll down and under downloads section you will find this one location option. Beside that, click on this one change button. Now navigate to the location where you want to download the files using Opera browser, and then click on this one select folder button. This will change default download locations in Opera browser on your Windows 11 and 10 PC.